A food that costs less than $2 and is sitting in most grocery stores is now being called one of the easiest muscle foods for people over 70. Here's exactly what it is. Most people think muscle loss is just a normal part of getting older, but that is only half the story. Yes, aging changes the body, but many older adults also do not get enough protein. Some eat too little, some eat the wrong foods, and some spread protein badly throughout the day. That is where a very simple food comes in. It is cheap, it is easy to find, it is easy to cook, and it can fit into breakfast, lunch, or dinner. That food is eggs. Eggs are not a miracle, but they are a practical, low-cost way to help older adults meet protein needs. And for muscles after 70, that matters a lot. Research reviews for older adults often point to higher protein intakes than the basic adult minimum, and they emphasize that protein works best when paired with resistance exercise. Here is the simple truth. Muscle does not stay strong by accident. Muscle needs two things. First, it needs enough protein. Second, it needs a reason to stay strong, like walking, chair stands, light weights, or other resistance work. If either one is missing, muscle gets harder to maintain. That is why older adults often need more protein than they think. Reviews of the research commonly suggest around 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day for healthy older adults, with some reviews suggesting even a bit more, depending on activity and goals. Now let's talk about eggs. One large egg gives about 6.3 grams of protein. USDA also describes eggs as a low-cost, high-quality protein food. That means they are not just cheap, they are useful. And that is why eggs are so powerful in a senior meal plan. They are easy to chew. They cook fast. They work at breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And they pair well with other foods like vegetables, toast, rice, or beans. But wait, there's something more important than just eating eggs. You have to eat enough protein across the whole day. A lot of people make one big mistake. They eat very little protein early in the day, and then try to catch up at night. That is not the best plan for muscle. Several reviews suggest that spreading protein across meals supports muscle better than loading it all at one time. So a better plan looks like this. Eggs at breakfast, protein at lunch, protein at dinner, and simple movement during the day. That is the real formula. Not a fancy supplement, not an expensive shake, not a complicated diet. Just enough protein, spread through the day, plus regular movement. That is why this small food gets so much attention. This advice is not for everyone. People with kidney disease may need a different amount of protein, and some may need to limit protein or work with a dietitian. That is why a doctor or dietitian should guide the plan when there is kidney disease, diabetes with kidney issues, or other medical problems. If you are over 70, muscle health is not about one magic food. It is about simple habits done again and again. A cheap, high-quality protein food like eggs can help make that easier. They are simple, they are affordable, and they fit into almost any meal. Combine that with some resistance exercise, and you give your body a much better chance to stay strong, steady, and independent as you age. If this helped, follow for more simple health videos like this, and comment EGS if you want a part 2 with more low-cost foods that may help older adults stay strong.